Hi guys everywhere. This is October-November 2019, paper 1, the winter variant 1. Okay, the first question. Change from meters to centimeter. As you know, when we convert from meters to centimeters, you have to multiply by 100. So this number should be multiplied by 100. The answer will be 460 centimeters. Number 2, write down the order of rotational symmetry of this regular pentagon. Pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides. Regular, it means it has equal sides, so it has equal angles. So the rotational symmetry of order 5. Number 3, work out 5% of $25. You can simplify it, or you can use your calculator. When we simplify, it will be 5 over 4, which is $1.25. Number 4, factorize to take the highest common factor between the two terms. We can take P as a factor of each of the two terms, keeping 5 plus T. Number 5, Ray has a bag containing 5 black pens, 8 red pens, and 3 blue pens only. He takes a pen out of the bag at random. Draw an arrow on the probability scale to show the probability that Ray takes. Letter A, a red pen. We have a total of possible outcomes, which is 5 plus 8 plus 3 giving 16. So we will divide this 16 over this 8 parts. So each part will have 2 or 2 over 16. Red pen. We have 8 red pens from the total, which is 8 over 16. When we simplify, it will be 1 over 2 in this place. Letter B, a red pen or blue pen. Red, 8, blue, we have 3 blue, or it means I'll make you more options to get an even. It would be 11 over 16. This is 1 over 8, 2 over 8, 3 over 8, half, and it means 2 over 16. So in exactly here we will have 8 over 16, and this is 10 over 16, and this is 12 over 16. So 11 over 16 will be between these two parts, to be right there. Write 8473 correct to the nearest 10, this place. So it will be 8470, because 3 would be cancelled without any getting up, because it's a weak number. Write 16.086 correct to 2 decimal places. This is the first and second places. It will be 16.09, because when you cancel 6, It's a strong number, so it will carry up 1 to 8 to be 9. Write these in order of size starting with the smallest. This is a question you can do to your calculator. 9 over 19 equals 0.473. 3 over 7 equals 0.428. 37 over 100, or 37%, equals 0.37, and this is 0.43. Remember, after you put them in order, you need to write the answers here in its original form. So the smallest one is 0.37, which is 37%. This is number 1, and this is number 2. 3 over 7, 0.43, and the last one, 9 over 19. Number 8, the diagram showed the base of a triangle. The length of the other two sides are 6 and 4. Using a ruler and the compasses only, construct the other two sides of the triangle. Show all your construction arcs. Okay, we have 6 and 4, so I will take this to the whiteboard to allow me to use the compasses. I will open the compass to 6 and 4. Consider this at 4 centimeters. Let's say this is 4 centimeters, so I'll draw an arc over the base and draw one with 6 centimeters. Neglect this point, because this is a measure. This is a measure. We are not measuring angles. So suppose if this is 6 centimeters, and draw the arc, and don't remove the arcs. Now join the points to the base and write the length for each side. This is 4 centimeters, and this is also, you will use your compass to do these arcs, then join them. You will put the vertex like this and rotate to do an arc using your compasses, and open them, one 4 and one 6 centimeters. Now let's move to the exam. Calculate. You can use your calculator by doing the calculation first. We have 2 marks for this question. 16.379 minus 0.879 over 4.2 multiplied by 1.241. The answer will be 4.579880952338. 2 significant figures you need to count from left. The first non-zero digits, 1, 2, then round. 4.6. When you round, you will cancel 7, and what's after, then carry up 1 to 5. Share 518 to 5. The total here is 7, and the total is 518. To know this and this, you can do a cross multiplication, or you can divide 518 by 7. The answer will be, I think, 74. Then multiply the number by 5 to get this number, multiply by 2 to get this number. Let me first make sure of the division. 518 divided by 7, 74 is right. Then multiply by 5, 370, 74 by 2, 148. 15 thousandths, it means 15 thousandths. And 60. In standard form, so you will move this point 1, 2, 3, 4 to be 1.506 multiply 10 power 4 to the power 4. Simplify. Combine the like terms. 5c minus 2c is 3c. Negative d minus 3d means negative 4d. By the way, each part was 1 mark. Calculate the area of a circle with radius 12. The area equals pi r squared. Pi, you can use your value in your calculator, multiply by 12 square and put the answer. 12 squared multiplied by pi 452 point. You can write 3 significant figures, or when you have a decimal you can write 2 decimal places, or you can make 39 because it's 38. 9, 3, 4, 2, 5, 4. This is the value in calculator, or maybe more, but when you round, you can put this answer or write 39. We're going to change 24,650 Hungarian forints to dollars. The exchange rate is $1. Each $1 is 290. So what about 2460? Cross multiplication 2460 multiplied by 1 divided 290. 8. Calculate how many dollars. He didn't mention any significant figures or any rounding. 8.48. Paula invests $600 at the rate of R per year simple interest. So the interest will be PRT. You can put the R in decimal or divide by 100. So now you can substitute. I is the principal. The total I is the total interest. She earned 90. The principal is 600. And this is principal, and this is T, and this is I. Multiplied by T, which is 10, multiplied by R over 100. R equal 9 over 6, which is 1.5. So the answer is 1.5. Okay, let me check if I did anything wrong. I is 90, P is 600, T is 10 over 100. I think it's right. It's okay. It's right. Without using calculator, 5 over 16 multiplied by, you will convert this to improper fraction, which is 1 multiplied 7. Okay, 1 over 7 equals 1 multiplied 7, 7 plus 1, 8 over 7. It's 8 over 7. You can simplify. Divided 8 equals 2, divided 8 equals 1. So 5 and 2 multiply 7, 5 over 14. Simplify. When you multiply first the coefficients will give you 6. Now x power 3 multiply x power 2. When you multiply the same bases, you add the powers to the x power 5. To convert from fraction to decimal and percentage, I don't have to remember that you can use your calculator. From percentage to decimal, you can multiply by 100, 75%. This is 0.2 or 20. It's 20 over 100, but you should put it in simplest. So it's 1 over 5. To convert this to decimal, you need to make it with denominator 100 or 10. So you should multiply by 4 up and down. So it's 8 over 100. Or as you see, you can use the percentage. It will be 0.08. Both are right. They will give you the same answer. From the list, find the median. The general rule to find the median, n plus 1 over 2, n is the number of values. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 11 over 2, meaning 5.5, the place between the 5th and the 6th places. Put them in order if you want, or you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is number 6 and this is number 5. To get the median, you can add them. The place between them, you can add them divided by 2 when you cancel. So it will be 35. The range, the highest value minus the lowest value. The highest value is 93. The lowest value is 8. 93, yes, it's 93 minus 8, it's 85. It's 85. John travels from his home to a shop. As you see, the travel graph shows his journey. Find the distance John travels to the shop. The distance, it's clear. This part between 12 and 18 is 16 kilometers. Write down what happens at this hour exactly. We think that he stopped at the shop, or he arrived the shop. Joanne travels home at constant speed, 15 kilometer. He leaves the shop at 15. This is 15. Okay, the speed is 15. If I remember, yes, it's 15 kilometer per hour. so it's 15 kilometers in 1 hour. We need 16 kilometers, so 16 kilometers will take how many hours? We can use proportion or cross multiplication. 16 over 15. I think we did a mistake, of course. 15 kilometers in 1 hour. Yes, our mistake is this is not 16. This is not exactly. This is not 16. This is 15, because when you add 10 and 20 over 2, it'll give you 15. So this answer is 15. Forgive me, guys. So this is 15, and he travels by 15 kilometers in 1 hour. So this 15 kilometers, he needs 1 hour from 15 to 16:15 here, and now he can reach home in 1 hour using this speed. You should graph or complete the graph by drawing this. He has arrived at this time. Complete the graph with it. Now the trigonometry. This is the hypotenuse, and this angle we have the adjacent using the cosine relation. Cosine 43 equals 12 over x, so x equals 12 over cosine 43 by changing in this way. You can use a calculator. 12 using calculator, 12 over cosine 43, 16.4079 or 16.4. Solve first. You need to expand 120, so 8w equal 120 minus 88, which is 32, w equal 4. Now you need to multiply to get rid of the denominator. Multiply it by 3. X minus 2 equals 9, so x equals 11. Solve the simultaneous equations. You must show all your working. Actually, you can multiply. This is 4 and this is negative 6. We can the next common multiple between them, or the lowest common multiple between them, is 12. So you can multiply this by 3 and multiply this by 2. This will be 15x plus 12y equals 30, and this is 14x minus 12y equals 86. Now you can add to get 29x equals 126. I think we will divide by 4. I don't okay, maybe divide by 4. 196 26 divided by 29, the answer is 126. Okay, maybe I did a mistake. Yes, this is 11. That's why we should use our calculator sometimes. 116 divided by 29 is 4, so x equals 4. Now you can use one of the two simultaneous equations to get y. 5 multiplied, the first one, 5 multiplied by 4 plus 4y equals 10. So 4y equals 10 minus 20, y equals negative 10 over 4, which is negative 2.5. This is the last question. You can use your calculator by using the table and write 8 over x, or you can substitute 8 over negative 5 equals negative 1.6, and this will be 1.6, and 8 over 4 equals 2. Now you just need to plot the points and make your graph. Okay, negative 5 was negative 1.6, negative 5 was negative 1.6, 1, 2, 3. So it's here, the first point. Negative 4 was negative 2. Okay, negative 4 was negative 2. Negative 3 was negative 2.7. Okay, let me make sure. Yes, negative 3 was negative 2.7. Then negative 2 was negative 4. And negative 1 was negative 8. The same values. Okay, but it's easy. We have the two sides on the screen. Yes, 1 was 8, 2 was 4, 3 was 2.7, 4 was 2, and 5 was 1.6, which is, yeah. Now you can join using a pencil, and that's everything in the exam. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can send me a message, or can you comment. Thank you.